Struggling with oily skin, but hate that dry, tight feeling after cleansing? Same here. Until I started using the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. It pumps out as a gel, then turns into this rich.
Don't skip this video. In next few minutes, I will show you an AI tool that create a realistic UGC videos without hiring actor or recording yourself. Stay until the end because I will show you how to get free 60 credit if you create TikTok ads, YouTube Shorts, Facebook ads, or sell product online. This tool can save you both time and money. This link I will attach in my video description. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to sign up with Gmail. Once you've done it, you can face this dashboard and you need to click. Here's a lots of option UGC character. Then you can create an character from scratch from image. You can just upload an image from your computer, then create a character. Then here are pre-made lots of character available. You can also use to type up. It's absolutely free. For example, this omen, just create a rewrite. This is a prompt you can rewrite with this chat GPT. For example, I copy this prompt, then going to this chat GPT, then type please rewrite, then I copy this prompt, then again going on this website and click start from an image, then here to paste my prompt on here, then this is the character name like Mina. You need to upload an image on here, but I don't have right now any image, so I'm currently use this chat GPT. You can see chat GPT make two images for me. I can choose anyone for me, so maybe this is more realistic, so I use this one. Then and just download this image, download. Now going to this UGCVideo.ai, then upload here. Now you can click on just generate, then wait only few seconds. This UGCVideo.ai create an image, I mean character, only for you. Then you can go into this UGC ad, then here are mm, paste this photo, then here you can also from select from library. Here's a lots of pre-made influencer available. If I playing this video, you can see I create this
What?
video before
Feel
for my creator podcast. If I play,
feel like your gym workouts just aren't cutting it anymore? I found something that changed the game. I've added this to my fitness routine.
you can see these ads are fantastic. Now I will create a video like this. I'm waiting for this character. Now you can see this AI tool create a photo for me. Now I need to prompt, right, and product. So I'm going on this Amazon, then I can copy this photo image first, then you can see this is a link and this is a product name. Now I'm going again chat GPT for create a script, then and upload. This is then click enter. This chat GPT will analyze this picture, analyze this product, analyze this link, and create a short script for me. You can see chat GPT create a script for me. Now I need to just copy this, then again going this UGCVideo.ai, then go to UGC add video. So here is the upload an image, product image. So I choose this product image, then click on save. Then this is influencer option. So I create before I choose this one, and this is a prompt option. So I use chat GPT for this. Then copy
Okay.
and just paste here. Now I need to choose voice over artist. So just click add voice. Then I choose English. If you want to create another language, just Arabic and French, Spanish, Bangla. You can select your preferred language. Then this I'll choose female. Then young. Then I'll
You know that feeling when everything just.
choose one by one.
I.
Okay, this is good and best for me. You can choose any others as well. Now you can see this is a UGC video 1.0, and this is a size. If you want to create it's like a YouTube video size 16:9 ratio, you can choose here, but currently I will use and create like short tutorial and short ads. Then this is a X, so I use 4x. It's this like this AI tool create 4 ads for me. Then I will choose which one best for me, and you can see it's grab 80 credits, and that's mean 1x 20 credits, and 4x into 4 into 20 it's like 80 credits. So it's not don't matter. Then click generate. You can see it's maybe should be ready in 4 minutes. So I will back after 4 minutes. It's easy method. So here's the final part. So I want to play one by one. Here's the four result I found.
Struggling with oily skin, but hate that dry, tight feeling after cleansing? Same here. Until I started using the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser. It pumped. Struggling
Look like amazing. I'm rating this video 10 out of 10. So now go to number 2.
with oily skin girls. We need to talk. Are you tired of cleansers leaving your face feeling completely stripped? Enter my holy grail. Struggling with oily skin, but hate that tight, dry feeling after washing? Same here. But I've been using oily skin, but every cleanser leaves you feeling super dry. I totally get it. So I've been using the CeraVe foaming facial cleanser.
You can see how I create 4 amazing UGC ads using this UGCVideo.ai. So this link I will attach in my video description. When you click and sign up, you will get 30 free credits, and when you generate it fast, and you will also get more 30 credits. It's totally free. So this link attached in my video description. See you again. Take care. Bye.